What's up guys, this is Masi. Welcome to another video. In this video I want to show you how to use intermediate form of 0 to the power of 0 when you're dealing with evaluating a limit and you use L'Hopital's rule. So it says evaluate limit of sine x to the power of x when x approaches 0. So when you sub 0, it's going to be sine 0 to the power of 0, which is going to be 0 to the power of 0. Let's see how to find out this limit. I'm going to say y equals to limit of sine x to the power of x when x is approaching 0. Then what you can do is you take the ln of both sides, natural logarithm, ln and ln so that's gonna be ln y equals to limit of x times ln sine x when x is approaching 0. You know, when you have ln a to the power of n, you can write it as n times ln a. So that's how you deal with it. So we have ln y and here this limit is gonna be limit of ln sine x over 1 over x. So instead of x, I'm gonna write divided by 1 over x when x is approaching 0. So that's gonna be ln 0 over 1 over 0. That's gonna make it as negative infinity over infinity. Then you need to use L'Hopital's rule, find out the derivative of numerator and also find out the derivative of denominator, which will be ln y equals to limit of derivative of ln sine x is going to be cosine over sine, which is cotan x, and derivative of 1 over x is negative 1 over x squared. That's going to be negative x squared over tan x. When you bring cotan x to the denominator, it's going to be tan x when x is approaching 0. That's going to be 0 squared, which is 0, divided by tan 0, which is 0. Now you need to find out the derivative. Derivative of negative x squared is going to be negative 2x. And derivative of tan x is going to be secant squared x. Limit when x is approaching 0. So that's going to be negative 2 times 0 over sine secant squared of 0. That's going to be 0 divided by 1, which is going to be 0. So that's going to be the final answer, the limit of this function and how we use 0 to the power of 0 and how we use L'Hopital's rule. I hope you enjoyed this video. I will leave some related videos and playlists in the description in case you need extra practice question. Please don't forget to subscribe this channel. You can have access to many other videos regarding calculus, physics and chemistry. Thank you for watching and have a great day.